Wagwan. So this is part 2. I am going to roast the fish. Part 1 is the previous video, so you can watch that video and then you watch this video. So in Jamaica, we roast the fish outside into a fish roasting pan using wood fire. I was gonna do that method, and then I said let me do the stovetop method first, because if you live outside of Jamaica, I am sure you don't have a fish roasting pan, and probably you won't able to use a wood fire. So let me do the stove technique first. So yeah, so I am gonna roast the fish on a stove top using a grill. If you do not have a grill, you can use a piece of zinc, as we call it in Jamaica, but make sure that the zinc is not too thin. I call it grill. I don't know what you call it. So I put the grill over the 3 smallest burners and the heat is on low. The grill is already heated up, so I grease it with a small amount of coconut oil, and this is to prevent the foil paper from sticking. Place the fish on top of the hot grease grill. In Jamaica, we use restaurant beer to cool down the grill, because the grill gets really hot and it needs to cool down, else the fish are going to scorch up. As you can see at the end of this video, you can see 1 and 2 fish have on scorch pan them. That means them in a perfect. And even when we use the pan, you will see 1 and 2 scorch on the fish as well. So that is why it is very important that the heat should be low. Even when I use the wood, a little bit of wood may have to use, little bit of fire, and we have to cool down the grill like every 10 minutes, and flip the fish every 10 minutes as well. So as you can see, I am using the red stripe here first. Like I mentioned before, it cool down the grill, yes, and it also adds a little flavor. Not that a fish are gonna taste like beer, but you know, that we use in a Jamaica. So you pour a little red stripe beer on the grill, cool it down, and we normally flip the fish. So I'll flip it like every 10 minutes. Alright, so me use the the beer once. The other time when me go cool down the grill, me go use water. It has been 15 minutes since the fish has been roasting. I'm gonna give it about 5 minutes more, because fish does not take a long time to roast. So I flip the fish and sprinkle some water onto the fish and onto the grill. As well as mentioned before, you have to keep the temperature down. You can't make it get too hot, else the fish them are go scorch up. You understand? So now if you ask me which method is the best method is to roast the fish outside in the roasting pan using wood fire, because the wood fire, the smoke from the wood fire gives the fish a nice taste. And so people from around that street, we around at the other street, can actually smell it, because that's the type of authentic nice smell when you use the wood fire. I am going to show you in another video, because that's my preference. I only do this for you, or for people who do not have the fish roasting pan, or who are not able to use wood fire outside. So people, the fish is roasted because Oh, I know the fish is roasted because the fish is now soft. It's like it's sink, and I can feel it that it is soft. Right? So I'm gonna remove them. So I am gonna roast the remaining 3 fish. Now, before I put the fish on the grill, if you notice, may use some water to wet up the hot grill to bring the temperature down, because if you put the fish on a hot grill like that, it will scotch up the fish them, like I mentioned before. So you have to bring the temperature down, right? Wet up the grill, put the fish on the grill. I see a method for the roasting pan. The only difference is that may use wood fire, so the wood add more flavor to the fish, so the fish nicer when we use the wood fire. You see what I say? And with the fish roasting pan as well, the fish them cover because the fish roasting pan has a lid. So this is it, people. Jamaican roast fish, and remember that this is the doctor fish. Delicious. The fresh herbs and everything cook so good. All I need right now is a bottle of red stripe beer, a cold one. Sit down and really enjoy this roasted fish. Hope you enjoy this recipe. Remember to subscribe to my channel, click the post notification bell so that you will know when I upload a new video to this channel.